here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Right, so obviously the recap is coming pre-market as opposed to after market close because I have a lot to do today. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to actually have time to sit and record a video. Like I indicated before, I'm going to be in the Dallas area for a few days. So if you want to link up, please send me an email at tina@shortmetina.com or comment in the comment section. So anyway, the recap is coming pre-market, so just take note of that as you check the prices. That's one. And two, although it's quite early in the morning, I have about 7:14 a.m. Eastern time here. I want to welcome you. So if you're here listening to this, I want to say welcome. Thank you for stopping in. Anyway, so let's just get underway really quickly to recap the SPY daily chart. As usual, we're going back to 2017, and not much essentially is changing my analysis from yesterday. So if you want to listen to that, feel free after you listen to this. So for me, it seems as though, again, not seems as though, it's very apparent if you look at the chart that the market continues to edge higher, right? Despite all that's going on in terms of the impeachment hearings in the alleged misconduct of the sitting U.S. president, President Trump, right? In spite of that, or despite that, we still have not had a solidified sort of resolution in regards to the trade wars with China. So in spite of all of that, plus other things, the market continues to edge higher. Again, yesterday we went and we hit all-time highs, and it looks like we're about to hit all-time highs as well, with the SPY trading up as high as, I believe, 312.78 in pre-market. So for me, if this level of bullishness continues, I can see the market sort of topping out around 328 to 330, which is like an extra 4 to 5% of upside left from current prices of 312. So it's really hard to be bearish right now in this environment. So just be cautious out there if you're looking to short the market. That's kind of it. So that's what I'm paying attention to, really. Obviously, the market continues to edge higher, and as long as we can stay above, again, that 293 to 295 level, I keep saying that, but for me, that's sort of like the line in the sand right now. If we can stay above there, I can't imagine the market not going higher. Okay, so what else do we have? IWM continues to sort of flirt with that 160 area. Very, very crucial if you look back at the daily chart 2017. We've only really traded up above that area one time, and that was around June to October of 2018. Since then, had a very hard time, or we're having a hard time actually trading up above that. So again, we're here at 158.52. If the SPY continues to trek higher, hopefully it's going to drag the IWM along. And if we can sustain a break above 160, I can also see this at minimum. Let me repeat that. I can also see this at minimum getting to around that previous high of around 173, perhaps even getting to 180. All right. So look out for the IWM. I think there might be a buying opportunity there. What else? All right, and then we have AMC. Well, I'm not gonna recap AMC because I did that yesterday. So just pay attention to the video that I did on ticker AMC and ticker KRTX. Those were the stocks that I analyzed yesterday. Let's kind of pull this into focus here. So right now we see a close with ticker KRTX at 96, but it's actually trading down in pre-market. So I think it's down about 13%. So if you want a little bit more color on that, definitely check out the video that I did yesterday. I do not want to rehash. What else do we want to talk about? Let's talk about Home Depot. All right, and then we have Home Depot. The company reported earnings a bit earlier today and lowered guidance. Stock is actually off about 5%, or north of 5% in pre-market. I see a quote of 227.06, so we're definitely a bit lower, 5% lower than the close of 238.05. 227 puts us somewhere around here. Yeah, it puts us somewhere around here. So obviously we're trading down in pre-market. Expect for the stock to actually head a bit lower, in my opinion, considering pre-market activity. But despite that, look at this chart. This is actually a great chart. Going back from 2011, stock is actually up tremendously from a low of around from a low of around $33 to 227. So we've had a really huge move in Home Depot. So for me, that means, right, so the overall trend, it's still an upward trend. So for me, that's a stock I want to have on my radar for a potential long. And despite the fact that it's down 5%, it might even pull back a little bit more, probably to the tune of an extra 10 to 15% within this week. That's okay. I will just look at that as a buying opportunity because the stock clearly has ran away from me a bit. So kind of glad that Home Depot is coming down. What else? All right, so let's conclude this recap with ticker KSS. Kohl's also reported earlier today, lowered guidance similar to Home Depot. However, this stock is getting a bit more of a beating in pre-market. It's down north of 11%. I see it's down about 10.66%, and I see a quote of around 52.15. So that's somewhere around, we're trading somewhere, let's say around here. So considering the fact that it's actually down around 10% in pre-market, you can expect the stock clearly to open up lower than the previous day's close of 58.40, and would not be surprised to see the stock shed another 5 to 10% or so. Right now, in terms of support, the first level of support here, I can see it clocking at around $44, so you might get a bounce here. So sitting at 52.15, I still see a potential downside of about 6 or more points. All right, so I see it maybe getting a bounce around that $44 area. And that's sort of it. We're going to cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. Very, very early, right? It's like 7 something in the morning. Anyway, if you enjoyed any portion of that video, I'd like for you to do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section, like the video, thumbs up, and ensure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. That's the first thing. 2, I do videos daily, Monday through Friday. It comes at varying times, as you can see. So if you want to ensure that you never miss a video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And lastly, I've been trading for a long time, over 15 years, again, closer to 20. That's about 2 decades, right, of being involved in the crazy market. So if you think you can learn anything from me, then definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Why do I feel like I'm whispering? Is it because it's early in the morning? I don't know. Anyway, head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I will talk to you.